You ever snap? You're calm. Then one word, one email, one look, and boom, you're yelling, slamming doors, texting paragraphs you regret, heart racing, mind hijacked. That's reacting, and it's killing you. But what if, in that exact moment, you paused, you breathed, you chose? That's responding. And it's the difference between a slave and a king. This is Mind Over Storm. And today, we're training your mind to respond, not react. No fluff, no therapy talk, no just breathe nonsense. This is ancient war tech for the modern battlefield. Used by Roman emperors, Navy SEALs, CEOS athletes. By the end of this video, you'll own every trigger. You'll turn rage into power. You'll walk through fire and stay ice cold. Let's begin. Chapter 1. The moment you lost control. Let's go back. That moment, you know the one. Maybe it was your boss, maybe your spouse, maybe a stranger on the internet. One sentence, and you exploded. You said things you can't unsay. You did things you can't undo. You reacted. And in that moment, you weren't you. You were a puppet. Someone pulled a string. And you danced. Here's the truth. Reacting is surrender. Responding is command. And the difference? 0.3 seconds. That's it. 0.3 of a second. Between stimulus and response. In that gap, freedom. Viktor Frankl, Holocaust survivor, said, "Between stimulus and response, there is a space. In that space is our power to choose our response. In our response lies our growth and our freedom." He wasn't in a seminar. He was in Auschwitz, starving, beaten, watching his family die. And he chose. You're not in a concentration camp. You're in traffic. You're on a phone call. You're reading a comment. And you're losing. But not after today. This is Mind Over Storm. And we're closing that gap. We're training the pause. We're forging the response. Chapter 2. The Science of the Snap. Your brain is a machine, and it's rigged to react. Let's break it down. Trigger, something happens. Amygdala, your emotional alarm goes off. Adrenaline, fight or flight. Prefrontal cortex, logic center shuts down. Reaction, you yell, you text, you punch. This is the lizard brain. It kept your ancestors alive when a tiger jumped out. But today, the tiger is a tweet, and you're still running. Harvard study. Average person has 6,200 thoughts per day. 80% negative, 95% repetitive. Your brain is a broken record. And reacting, it's the needle skipping. But here's the hack. You can rewire it. Neuroplasticity. Your brain changes based on what you repeat. Every time you react, you strengthen the rage pathway. Every time you pause, you build the response pathway. This isn't woo-woo. This is science. This is training. And today, we're going to the gym. Chapter 3. The 5 Stoic Drills. Train the pause 5 drills. Do them daily. For 30 days, you will transform. No excuses, no, I'll try. Do or don't. This is Mind Over Storm. Drill number 1. The 3-second rule, the pause trigger. Every time you feel the heat, anger, anxiety, lust, fear, count to 3. 1, 2, 3. In those 3 seconds, breathe in for 4. Hold for 4. Out for 4. That's it. 3 seconds. 1 breath. Why 3? Because the amygdala hijack peaks at 0.3 seconds and fades by 3. Exercise. Set a phone reminder every hour. Practice the 3-second pause. Do it 10 times a day. After 7 days, you'll feel the shift. Drill number 2. The label game, name the emotion. Emotions aren't the enemy. Unlabeled emotions are. When you feel it, name it. Out loud if possible. I'm angry. I'm scared. I'm jealous. Stanford study. Naming an emotion reduces its intensity by 50%. Why? Because labeling activates the prefrontal cortex. It turns off the alarm. Exercise. Carry a small notebook. Every time you feel a spike, write the emotion, then write, "This is just data." Do this for 21 days. You'll stop being the emotion. You'll observe it. Drill number 3, the worst case rehearsal. Premeditatio malorum 2.0. Every morning, before coffee, ask, what could trigger me today? My boss criticizes me. My ex texts. I get ghosted. The market crashes. Then imagine it. Feel it. Then respond. Not react. Example. Trigger. Boss says, "This is garbage." Reaction. Yell back. Quit. Cry. Response. "Thank you for the feedback. I'll improve." Rehearse the response 10 times. This is mental reps, like a boxer shadowboxing. Exercise. Write 3 triggers every morning. Rehearse responses for each. Do it daily. After 30 days, triggers lose power. Drill number 4, the mirror test. Own your reaction. Every night, before bed, ask, where did I react today? What triggered it? How could I have responded? Be brutal. No excuses. Example, reacted, snapped at wife over dishes. Trigger, felt disrespected. Better response, I'm stressed. Let's talk later. Exercise, journal 1 reaction every night. Write the better response. Read it aloud. This is accountability. This is growth. Drill number 5, the cold exposure trigger. Physical stress equals mental steel. Your body and mind are linked. Cold showers train discomfort tolerance, which trains emotional tolerance. Protocol: end every shower with 30 seconds cold. When the panic hits, use drill number 1, count to 3. Breathe box. Label: this is discomfort. Navy SEALs do this. Stoics did this. You will do this. Exercise, 30 days. No skipping. Log it. You'll stop fearing cold water. You'll stop fearing hard conversations. Chapter 4, the 7 response templates. You don't need 100 responses. You need 7. Memorize these. Use them. Own every room. Template number 1, the emperor's calm when criticized. Response: thank you. I'll consider that. Walk away. Process later. Template number 2, the seals deflect when provoked. Response: noted. 1 word. 0 fuel. Template number 3, the Stoics question when attacked. Response: what outcome are you hoping for here? Puts them on defense. You stay in control. Template number 4, the warrior's redirect when emotional. Response: I hear you. Let's revisit this when we're both calm. Buys time, preserves relationship. Template number 5, the monk's silence when words fail. Response: silence, eye contact, nod. Silence is power. Template number 6, the athlete's refocus when distracted. Response: back to the goal, to yourself, out loud if needed. Template number 7, the king's exit. When it's toxic. Response: I'm done here. Leave. No drama. Exercise. Write these 7 templates on a card. Keep it in your wallet. Read daily. Use 1 per day. After 30 days, they're automatic. Chapter 5, the mind over storm response protocol. Your daily system: 5 minutes morning, 5 minutes night. Morning, 5 minutes. 3-second rule practice, times 3. Worst case rehearsal, 3 triggers. Template review, read 7 templates. Night, 5 minutes. Mirror test. 1 reaction. Cold exposure log. Gratitude for control. Today, I chose. Do this 30 days. You will be unrecognizable. Chapter 6, real stories. Response in action. Story 1, the CEO who didn't snap board meeting. $10 million loss. investors screaming. He paused, counted to 3, said, "Thank you. We'll fix it." Company survived. He became legend. Story 2. The wife who saved her marriage. Husband late. No call. Old her. Explosion. New her. Label. I'm hurt. Template number 4. Let's talk when you're home. They talked. They healed. Story 3. The teen who stopped bullying. Bullied online. Old him. Rage posts. New him. Template number 7. I'm done here. Blocked. Focused on grades. Got scholarship. Your story starts today. Chapter 7. The 30-Day Mind Over Storm Challenge. 30 days. No excuses. Week 1. Build the pause drill. Number 1 plus number 2 daily. Week 2. Rehearse the response drill number 3 plus templates. Week 3. Test in fire drill number 4 plus number 5. Seek one hard conversation. Week 4. Automate full protocol. 0 reactions. Track it. Post number. Mind over storm. Chapter 8. The final charge. This is Mind over Storm. Your channel. Your war. The trigger is coming. It's already here. But you're ready. With 5 drills, 7 templates, a 30-day protocol. You don't react, you respond. Do this. Start the 30-day challenge. Subscribe. Comment. I choose response. Share this video. The world doesn't need more rage. It needs more kings. Be one. This is Mind over Storm. And your mind just became unbreakable. See you in the comments. See you in the fire.